Lesson number 6A, Genitive Case, talking about belongings. To ask about belongings, we use whose. In Urdu, we say kiska for masculine singular nouns, kiski for feminine singular and plural nouns, kiske for masculine plural nouns. To reply about belongings, we use a noun and we add preposition ka, ki and ke. Ka again for masculine singular nouns, ki for feminine singular as well as plural nouns and ke for masculine plural nouns. Let's see some examples. Here we are using a masculine noun and we are using kiska. So to reply or to answer, we will say a noun and we will add preposition ka. Let's see this question. Whose house is this? ये किसका घर है? ये किसका? Whose here, and we are talking about a noun ghar which is masculine. So we will say kiska. ये किसका घर है? And answer is this is Ali's house. ये Ali का घर है. So we are using noun Ali and we are using preposition ka because ghar is a masculine noun. ये Ali का घर है. Baby boy. Baby boy, we are using here a gender and that is masculine. So we will use ये किसका बच्चा है? ये किसका, whose, and ka preposition to represent a masculine noun. This is Ali's baby boy. ये Ali का बच्चा है. ये Ali का बच्चा है. Now we are using a feminine noun. So that's why we will use a preposition ki. When we are going to ask a question, we will ask kis ki. And when we are going to reply, we will use the noun and we will use a preposition ki. Let's see this example. Whose jacket is this? Now jacket is a feminine noun. So we will say ये किसकी jacket है? ये किसकी jacket है? This is Maria's jacket. Or you can also say this is Maria's. ये Maria की jacket है. So we can also say ये Maria की है. But here jacket is a feminine noun. That's why we are using की. ये Maria की jacket है. Watch in Urdu is घड़ी. Ghadi, and it is also a feminine noun. Whose watch is this? ये किसकी घड़ी है? ये किसकी घड़ी है? This is Maria's or this is Maria's watch. ये मारिया की घड़ी है और ये मारिया की है. Feminine noun, we use kiski to ask and noun plus ki to reply. Whose book is this? ये किसकी किताब है? ये किसकी किताब है? This is school's book. ये स्कूल की किताब है. ये स्कूल की किताब है. Now kitab is a feminine noun, so that's why we are using ki. To reply for a plural pronoun, we will use ke preposition. So to ask, we will say kis ke, and to reply, we will use the noun and we will add ke. Let's see. Whose shoes are these? ये किसके जूते हैं? ये किसके जूते हैं? So जूते is a masculine noun and plural, so that's why we are saying kiske. To reply, we will add ke with the noun. These are Ali's shoes. ये अली के जूते हैं. ये अली के जूते हैं. बच्चे. बच्चे are children and they are plural. So we will say whose children are these? ये किसके बच्चे हैं? ये किसके बच्चे हैं? These are Ali's children. ये अली के बच्चे हैं. ये अली के बच्चे हैं. Now we will make more sentences. Here are some examples of the common nouns you can see in your bedroom maybe. Like bed is a bistar and this is a masculine noun. Room, kamra, masculine noun. Rooms, plural, is also masculine noun. Chair, kursi, a feminine noun. Chairs, kursiyan, feminine noun. Table, maze, a feminine noun. Sofa, sofa is a masculine noun. You can watch this video about our bedroom, and then you can make sentences like kiska for a masculine noun, kiske for a masculine plural noun, kiski for feminine noun, and kiski for feminine plural nouns.